So you've dated. Yeah, I did date before. Hi, Night Owl. We are 5'5". Ako na naman masama. Sorry. You're hot. I'm not your smart. I'm well smart too. And I'm sorry. I can't put someone up for today. Because it goes like crazy. Like my internet right now is not working fine. So sorry, but some other time. I can put you on top now. On top. I can't invite you here. Like we can't, because I'm gonna go crazy. Like the internet's gonna go crazy. Thank you for being so understanding. Oy! What do you mean, oy? Kahit nagiging mabait na ako, masama pa rin yung Why? Are you trying to redeem yourself? You can't. You can't redeem yourself. Anyways, yeah. Nagugutom ako. Naintindihan mo ba, Hand-Eye? Cam, can you understand me? Nagugutom ako. If you ever wanna lay your head down, call me. What do you mean, everyone wanna lay your head down? Is that an idiom? Help me, guys. I don't understand. Deepam. Thank you. Hala, huwag kang magpangit ng Jollibee. Gusto ko ng Jollibee. Dude. What do you mean, dude? Did you understand what I say? What I say? What I said? I said, nagugutom ako. You got a second chance. Come on. What do you mean? Second chance for what? Yes, you're hungry. Oh, very good. Very multilingual. I'm talking to that guy. What do you mean? I am that second chance. Yeah, I gave you your second chance. So don't waste it. If it was my last chance to love you. Ah, cute! Putik! Ang sarap! Bukas pa ba yung job? Tara, jobby sa ano? This. Then he said, if you wanna sleep with me. Oh, so that's like an idiom. My gosh. We hate you now. We hate you, Cloud. Why so mean to me? Because you're mean to me too. Mean to me too. Then he said, if you wanna sleep with me. Gutom na din ako. Yo, wild. What do you mean wild, Deepa? What country are you from? Hi, Lexa! See? Why do you want someone to sleep with you? I'm gonna ask this again. Guess po. I'm not jealous type. Why would you be jealous? I remember you, Lexa. I think you're from ano? From US. Deepa. Nagugutom ako. Gusto ko ng Jollibee. Nakakaibitig yun. Order tayo. Ayoko, 5 na eh. Mas masarap luto ng nanay ko. Saan ka ba naglalaro, Kyo? Sus, kunyari ka. Siguro napapagod. Siguro, yung laro mo 2K. Lovely ulo she has. No lovely ulo?